Cloud Computing, Chapter 2, Service Models. In this chapter, we will learn about cloud service models. Cloud service models define how cloud services are delivered to users. There are three main cloud service models. They are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Let us start with infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service is also known as IaaS. In IaaS, cloud providers offer basic computing resources over the internet. These resources include virtual machines, storage, and networking. Users do not need to buy physical hardware. Users have full control over the operating system and applications. Examples of IaaS include Amazon EC2, Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines, and Google Compute Engine. IaaS is mainly used by system administrators and IT professionals. Now let us understand Platform as a Service. Platform as a Service is also known as PaaS. In PaaS, cloud providers provide a complete development platform. This platform includes operating system, programming language, and development tools. Developers focus only on writing and deploying applications. They do not need to manage servers or infrastructure. Examples of PaaS include Google App Engine, Microsoft Azure App Services, and Heroku. PaaS is mainly used by application developers. Now let us understand Software as a Service. Software as a Service is also known as SaaS. In SaaS, complete software applications are provided over the internet. Users can access software using a web browser. No installation or maintenance is required from the user side. Examples of SaaS include Gmail, Google Drive, Microsoft Office 365, and Zoom. SaaS is mainly used by end users. Now let us compare IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS provides infrastructure like servers and storage. PaaS provides a platform to develop applications. SaaS provides ready-to-use software. In IaaS, users manage applications and operating systems. In PaaS, users manage only applications. In SaaS, users only use the software. Let us see when to use each service model. Use IaaS when you need full control over infrastructure. Use PaaS when you want to develop applications quickly. Use SaaS when you want ready-to-use software. These cloud service models help organizations choose the right cloud solution. In this chapter, we learned about IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. This chapter is very important for exams and interviews. In the next video, we will learn about cloud deployment models. Subscribe to Silent Sparrow for clear and focused tech education.